Hello, everyone, and I'm here to show you one of my favorite new items from Scentsy. I've been testing it out, and I'm super excited to share it with everyone. It is our new air purifier from Scentsy. So this kind of gives you an idea of how big it is. It's a nice tall unit. Most air purifiers are a lot bigger than the Scentsy one. That's one thing that I really like about the Scentsy one compared to other brands is it fits nicely. If you can see, it's about as wide as my hand and probably about the size of my forearm there for you. So I'm not very tall. I'm like 5'1", so that kind of gives you an idea of how tall it is compared to like me. Um, so fun things with this air purifier. So it uses a HEPA H13 filter on the inside of it, and that's going to filter out 99.95% of air particles, and it's in the bottom part of your filter. So here's your filter for you, and then there's the inside, and you just stick your filter in, and you take the bottom and you lock it into place. Don't have it, sorry. Gotta find my, there it is. There you go. And then it has a cord as well, and you can detach the cord, but in order for this to operate, it needs to be plugged in at all times for you. So the air gets, the dirty air gets pulled in to the bottom part on the sides, and then the filter, it'll filter through and then push the clean air up through the top. There's two little holes here as well. That's where our pods can go, our scent pods. So you can have your fragrance for your clean air coming out as well. You can use 1 or 2 pods. It's up to you if you would like to use that or just have it unscented and have fresh air coming through that way for you. Because it uses a HEPA 13 filter instead of a charcoal filter, it's not going to be necessarily pulling scents through and cleaning all of the different scents that might be. It's going to be filtering out particles in the air. So you're going to have dust and dander and other things that are like that being filtered out. So that's something to keep in mind, just because maybe you have it in the kitchen and you cooked something like, I don't know, you microwaved fish in the microwave. It may not necessarily get rid of the fish smell, but it is going to get rid of any of the oils that are in the air for you that way, which will help filter out the scent as well too. So the fan setting has an auto mode, a low, and a high, and it is, first off, you'll use this button here to turn it on for you. And if you don't want this light on, you can push the very, very bottom button and it'll turn it off for you. Something you can kind of hear, it's already going. It's not a very loud sound. I like to think of it more like a white noise kind of sound in the background. With the light on, if this light ever turns red, that's when it detected particles in the air and it's filtering them out and through. When the light turns back to white again, then you know that the air has been filtered and it's clean. The second button below the power button, this button here, is the timer. So you can do 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours and have it on that way. Otherwise, just push the power button and it'll be on until you decide to turn it off. The third button down is the fan speed. So right now I just have it on auto mode. I push it once. That is the high mode. Push it again, it's back into low mode. Something else that it does when it goes into, when the light turns red, you'll hear the fan change speed. That's because it's trying to pull out the particles as quickly as possible and pushing it through the filter to give you clean air, so that you'll hear the fan speed adjusting automatically as needed as well too. This is ideal for small spaces, about 200 square feet. So it's going to be like nurseries, bedrooms, dorm rooms, assisted living rooms, things like that. These are great for all of those offices even. You can buy replacement filters through Scentsy as well. Something that I like is if you create a Scentsy Club order, You can add your filter to it, and then you can have it automatically shipped to you however often you need it to automatically ship. With Scentsy Club, you can have items ship once a month, once every 2 months, or once every 3 months. So you can set it up and change the date range as needed for you, and Scentsy will go ahead and automatically do it. There's perks to being and having a Scentsy Club subscription. One example would be if you have over $60 in products in your Scentsy Club, you earn an item for half off every time your subscription processes. So you could have your scent pods and cleaning items, or even your wax. If it adds up to $60, then you could get your filter for half off. So lots of different options and great things. Another feature is if you host a party, or what I like to call host a get together, and you earn 3 half off items, you can get your air purifier for half price. So if you're looking for ways to save some money, have some friends get together. I'm doing things virtually right now. You can contact your Scentsy consultant and see how they are doing things. And once it reaches $500 in sales, then you can earn this for half price. You also get other items still. You still would have other items that you could purchase with your host rewards and stuff, but it would use up all of your half-priced items. It does come with a limited lifetime warranty on it as well. So not many air purifiers have those warranties. So that's something that I like. It guarantees against manufacturing defects for you. So that is our air purifier. I personally have had it next to my bed at night for a couple weeks now, and I was kind of seeing how I was feeling. I didn't turn it on for a week straight after, and to compare the two different times that I was using it, not using it. What I found is when I was using it, I'm definitely sleeping a lot better, getting a more restful night's sleep, and I'm not waking up with like congestion or scratchy throats and things like that. Whereas when I didn't have it turned on, I'm not getting as restful sleeps, and I'm waking up kind of with probably just some dust allergies and scratchy throats and things like that. So that's my personal experience with using it. It's definitely helped me. In my room, in our bathroom is where our cat box is and everything. So it's definitely filtering out some of those particles coming from our bathroom and helping with pet dander and dust and all of that type of stuff. So if you have questions about our air purifier, please feel free to contact me and ask me. You can also look on my website or your consultant's website and find it, and there's more information on there as well. That is it for today. I hope you guys enjoy it. Take a look at our air purifier. It really is an amazing thing to have. I'm sending one up with my son for college because it was on the list of things he needed was an air purifier in the dorm room. So I'm happy to know that it's a good product that doesn't take up a lot of space. And during these times, he's definitely going to have some cleaner air in his dorm room while he is up at school. That's it for today, you guys. Have a sensational week, and let me know if there's anything I can do for you. Talk to you later. Bye.